Visualize anything you want coming into reality, manifesting literally anything you can think of using this SuperMind technique. It really works, and you need to use it. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy life coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, and we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Today, high flyers, I want to share with you something that is absolutely incredible. It is this SuperMind meditation technique that if you use, you're going to just find astonishing results through visualization. I know you've heard about visualization. You've tried visualization. Maybe you got results. Maybe you didn't. But I'm telling you, if you'll use this technique, you're going to be literally shocked at the kind of results you receive. So high flyers, locked up in your subconscious mind are beliefs. Now, the question is, are these beliefs of value to you? Do they help you achieve what you want to achieve, attract what you desire to attract, manifest what you desire to manifest? And here's something to think about. Your subconscious mind believes that these beliefs are truths. Okay, so when your subconscious mind looks at a belief, it says this is an absolute truth, and it looks for ways to ignore everything else. Have you ever talked to somebody about an idea and they just didn't want to hear it? I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it, because their subconscious mind had already decided in advance that it wasn't a truth because it wasn't in harmony with their beliefs. But let me share this with you for just a moment. This is important. If you understand that these beliefs are what your subconscious believes are truths, then this is what you are projecting out to the universe. And fortunately or unfortunately, it's what you're manifesting back. High flyers, any belief keeping you from manifesting your dreams and your goals and the things that you want in your life, any belief that stops that is a belief worth changing. It's a belief worth altering or modifying or transforming. Now, here's the secret. Now, listen to this. What we believe to be true is our truth, and it's what we manifest, whether we like it or not. Change the belief, the thoughts change, the emotions change, the feelings change, the actions change, everything's changing, and you start to manifest exactly what you desire. You literally send out a different frequency to the universe. What are some false beliefs that you may be hanging on to? Wealth is beyond my grasp. I don't have the education to become a millionaire. I'm too old to get started in something new. I'm overweight. I'm underweight. I'm the wrong color. I'm the right color. You know, these are all false beliefs that you've bought into. It takes money to make money. Don't you know that, Robert? I don't have any money. And it takes money to make money. The relationship is over with. She's dating someone new now. She doesn't want anything to do with me. You know, I mean, you can go on and on and on. Any belief that limits you, I believe, is a false belief. So why would you want to limit yourself? Because it's safe, because it's comfortable. But this super powerful visualization technique is going to help you change that. So high flyers, what this super powerful mind visualization technique will do is it will help you anchor powerful feelings and images to future experiences. It will help you change old beliefs and transform them into new, resourceful beliefs that will help you get what you want. So, high flyers, here's some tips on how to use this technique before we get into the actual method of doing it. Number one, you got to do it daily. I know it's tough. I actually have an alarm set for 3:00 in the afternoon. Now watch, everybody's going to want to call me at 3, but I have an alarm set for 3:00 to meditate every day for 20 minutes. That's my time. If I get time in the morning, if I make time as I fall asleep, which I usually do, that's a bonus. But every day at 3:00, I'm taking 20 minutes. You only need to take 5 to 7 minutes with this powerful technique. Just 5 to 7 minutes daily. And that's the second tip. You don't need to do 20 minutes. Just 5 to 7 minutes will make a huge, massive change in your life. So, high flyers, right about here is where your third eye is at. So I want you to close your eyes and roll your eyeballs up and try to envision that you are looking at your third eye. Now, it's a little bit painful, okay? And you're going to hold that position for 30 to 60 seconds. So what I do when I'm doing this meditation and this visualization technique is I take my middle finger and I just rub my third eye. I roll my eyes back. I kind of lean my head back, roll my eyes back. There you go. Now I've got it. And I just slightly rub this spot and I'm rolling my eyes back for about a minute. Okay. While you're doing that, you're breathing in for 3 seconds and out for 7 seconds. So, it's a deep in through the nose. Slowly out through the mouth for about 6 to 7 seconds. So here's what it all looks like together now. I'm rubbing my third eye. I'm rolling my eyes back, looking at my third eye. I'm breathing in for 3 seconds. And out for about 7 seconds. You don't have to count, but you'll get the idea. High flyers, you need to do this for about 60 seconds. You don't need to hold a watch to it, but for roughly about a minute. Now, at this point, after a minute has gone by, you can take away your finger, relax your eyes, let your head fall forward. And you will immediately have switched from beta to alpha brain waves. And for some of you, you will already be in theta. Pretty interesting. You've literally shifted into a higher state of vibration, into a deeper state of consciousness. You've literally created a vortex right into your subconscious mind. Now that you're in this wonderful state, you're going to remember a positive experience that you once had. It can be any experience. It can be experience when you were swimming and you just felt like you'd swim forever. It can be an experience when you fell in love once. It could be experience when you were on a roller coaster. It could be experience when you were walking along the beach and the ocean was crashing against your feet and just making you feel so good. It can be any experience that made you feel exceptional, that made you feel incredible. So you're going to hold on to that experience, that feeling, that memory. And now you're going to slightly shift over to a positive memory of the outcome you desire to manifest. So now you have this old experience that was very positive. You have this new experience that is something you desire to manifest, and you're blending them together. So this new experience contains the feelings of that old, positive, wonderful experience that you had in the past. Now you've blended these two experiences together. Enjoy visualizing the new experience with heightened emotions, with heightened feelings of goodness and happiness and thrill and excitement and wonder. You see, Neville Goddard says feeling is the secret to manifesting. So as I visualize this picture and I have all these positive feelings going through me, and I'm also at a deeper state of consciousness because I've prepared myself using this SuperMind technique. It's unstoppable, high flyers. The results you will see will be astonishing. Hey, send me some emails. Do this for 30 days. Send me some emails and let me know exactly what you've manifested into your life using this SuperMind visualization technique. Here's some other videos to help you on your journey.